Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so the first experiment I can design is use the kinematic equation of the motion to determine the length of ladder. Okay, and then drop the ball from the top of the ladder and measure the time it takes the ball to hit the ground. Okay, and the equation for the length of the ladder is equal to 1/2 gt squared. G is the acceleration of gravity, and t here is the time it takes the ball to hit the ground. An assumption I made is that there's no air resistance involved in the process. And the second experiment I can design is, well, first let's make the length of the string is equal to the length of ladder. Then we can attach a small ball to the string and let the small ball undergoes a simple harmonic motion with a small amplitude, okay? And then use a stopwatch to measure the time period, which is t here, okay? And the assumptions I made is that there's no air resistance involved and the mass of the string is ignored, okay? So basically no mass of the string was involved in the process. And these are the two experiments I can design for this question.